We're going to look at today the positions on the screen. So whenever you want to, if you think of a play or a drama, the characters generally don't randomly move around on the screen or just stand where they want to. Typically, there is placement done. Somebody will be at the center of the stage, somebody on the side, somebody at the back, somebody in the corner. And then based on who is speaking and what is the scene demand, they change positions. So clearly, position is a very important aspect. And therefore, it is available to do this very easily on the Scratch platform. So to make placements, what we have is something called the XY coordinates. So for each of the character, you would be able to set the position using static, that is by moving it and seeing what is the position, and code it up. And as you do this, all this position setting, you won't even realize that you're learning an important concept from geometry. And this is called coordinate geometry. Scratch display window. So I'm showing you in the full screen, and this is the icon. So if I click on it, it will bring us back to the entire editor. And if I click on this, it will show the big screen. So what we have drawn here is a line which is horizontal. Now this is referred to as the x-axis, and a line which is vertical, this is referred to as the y-axis. The center of the screen, this is 0, 0. And you can see it here. This orange, it is placed on x position 0 and y position 0. As it travels towards the right, it moves incrementally in the positive numbers. So right now the bars which you're seeing are at 50 points each. So if I use a right arrow, you will see the x position is 50. Okay, we have moved right, but we have not moved either up or down. So the y position is still on the y line, which is 0. If I again take it right, x moves by another 50, and now this is 100. Similarly, 150. And when I come back, x is 100, and we're back to 0, 0. So now let's see what happens when we move towards the left. So when we move left, we are at minus 50. We move further, minus 100, minus 150, minus 200. So this is the way the x-axis is. As you move right, it moves incrementally with positive numbers, and as you move left, it moves with negative numbers, increasing as you go left. Now what happens when you go up and down? So let's look at it. Since this is the y-axis, you keep a watch on the y position. So when we go up, it goes up by 50. Now the x position has not changed. So x is still 0, y is 50. 100, 150. Come down, back to 0. Now as we go down, yes, you know what we expect. It will be minus. So now that you've seen what happens on the line, on the x-axis and on the y-axis. So what happens when we move away from the lines? So we are here. So basically what we have done, x we have moved right, so that is plus 50, and y we have moved down, so it is minus 50. So if we go up, what will happen? X we have moved right, so it's plus 50, y we have moved right, so it is plus 50 also. So let's go on the left. So x is now minus 50 and y is still on top, so it is plus 50. While we take it down, now see, it is on the left of x left off the 0 point on x-axis, so it is minus 50. And because y is also down, it is minus 50. So this is very easy for you to play with. I am going to give the link to the project on scratch.mit.edu. You can play with it so that you get extremely comfortable and understand the XY coordinates. Scratch.mit.edu projects. This is 379018609.